Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install CarPlay on this 458. First of all, we take out the head unit, and in this case those two connectors are not connected just from factory, so we don't take care of them. What we need to check is this connector. We replaced it with the one coming in the kit, and this one as well. Then we can reinstall this head unit back, but in the meantime let me show you. This is the CarPlay module, and as you see, we have different connectors, 1, 2, and 3, and then we have two antennas for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this module can be installed on top of the head unit and can stay like this, and it's not going to be a problem. Now, one of the connector has an exit for USB. It looks like this. So you can insert a USB wire, and then on the other side connect your phone, and then you will have CarPlay from USB. Let's start to install it from the beginning. First, let's remove those screws over here. Then we can remove the glove box. Now, here next to the head unit there is a screw. Those several screws next to the head unit, we already removed them before. Another one here, and above there are another two. After remove all those screws, you can take off the head unit, unplug the connectors from the head unit. First of all, take the cable for the CarPlay. There is one power cable. It is already fitted to plug directly into the original head unit connector for power, and connect the other side to the head unit, just like the original one was, where the original one was. And then make sure that it fits correctly. You need to press it a little bit. Then move to install the video cable. So also this one cannot be connected in the wrong way. Just connect it to the original connector, and then to where the original connector was on the head unit. Connect it on the plug. Now take out our own CarPlay module. Here we have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna. The antennas are the same. You don't need to choose which one goes to Wi-Fi or which one goes to Bluetooth. They are exactly the same. Connect Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna. This one is the wire that gives power to the CarPlay module and connects also to the head unit. This is the video cable. And this one is for USB. The other side has the USB female exit. The next one is the microphone. It has the AUX exit. This wire doesn't need to be considered. This is the USB female port I mentioned before. And this is the microphone. Connect like this. Then connect the connector in this port. So the CarPlay has been connected. Now we connect the microphone over here in the A-pillar on the side of the driver. The wiring goes through all the A-pillar until it reaches the glove box. This is the protocol box. Connect it to the CarPlay module with the wire. Then let's test the module by giving power to the car. Here on our CarPlay module we have two lights. If it's flashing like this, it means it is installed properly. Okay, so now we will try to set up CarPlay on this 458. First of all, just open the dashboard and press the menu button until this changes to CarPlay. So as you see here, we have iCar, CarPlay, mirroring, and etc. We go to Bluetooth, and we have a device name here, FRI Carplay. So we need to open the Bluetooth on our phone, and after opening Bluetooth on our phone, we'll find CarPlay here. So we just select it, and we just go through. Don't need to check anything, just proceed. and here you will see connecting CarPlay. We authorize it from the phone, and then after a few seconds it will just connect. So now CarPlay works. Next step is to enable the audio. To enable audio, we need to go and press again menu, and then here on disk we need to confirm, and then when we are here in this position we need to press confirm and then down, and then you will see iPod will appear. If iPod is already there, then you can do this procedure, press and go up and it will disappear. So now press and go down and it will appear, then swap to up, go back up, iPod, select it, continue, then move back to CarPlay. Let's try it out. Hey Siri, apri QQ Music. Then we just select ok, now let's try another function. Hey Siri, apri messaggi. Hey Siri, leggimi l'ultimo messaggio ricevuto.
Hai dei messaggi recenti di 1-0.
Okay, so now we'll try to connect without using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to CarPlay. So we just connect USB. Connect USB. Now we are in the normal menu. We press the setup for several seconds until it changes. Okay, now we are in CarPlay. We just select CarPlay and we are already connected. Hey Siri, apri Google Maps. So it works fine. Let's install everything on car now. First put the head unit back to its position and add the CarPlay module, and installation will be complete.